It appears that Rivian is under bigger and tighter control of Jeff Bezos, and Amazon and the priorities for the electric truck R1T and the SUV R1S have shifted to delivering Amazon's all-electric delivery vans. Toyota Bz4X is finally debuted in China by FAW in advance. This all-new pure EV is derived from the Toyota e-TNGA architecture. It's positioned as a compact pure electric SUV, and the overall style is a sports coupe style. Want to know about it? Well, stay tuned to the video and watch the video till the end. Hello guys, welcome to Bezos Space. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to get new updates about Jeff Bezos. Hit the like button to show your support, and in today's video, we're going to talk about Jeff Bezos just said that Rivian and the entire car industry are in shock by Toyota's all-new Bz4X. So without any further ado, let's begin. Ready to make a fresh mark on the battery electric vehicle BEV segment, Bz4X blend bolds modern styling with tech-laden features in an extremely capable platform. The BZ in its name stands for Beyond Zero, meaning that the EV hopes to be more than just carbon neutral, but actively good for the environment. Bz4X is more than a battery electric SUV, it's a new take on multi-purpose vehicles. It's reported that the car is planned to be put into production in June 2022 and is expected to be officially launched within the year, mainly competing with the Volkswagen ID.4. The Toyota Bz4X is the Japanese company's attempt at an all-electric SUV designed to usher in a new era of EVs for the company, and it'll be Toyota's first EV sold in all 50 states. It's also yet another collaboration with Subaru. The Solterra and the Bz4X both share the same platform and are almost identical, but for a few mechanical tweaks and aesthetic changes. The new e-TNGA platform used for the Bz4X shares no major components or stampings with any other Toyota architecture. Like new EVs from other automakers, this architecture is designed to be flexible so that it can be used for multiple new BEVs in the coming years. In December 2021, Toyota had an event where it showed off 15 BEVs from the Toyota and Lexus brands coming in the next several years, several of which are expected to be based on this platform. Like other BEV platforms, e-TNGA has a motor at each axle and a large battery under the floor. However, unlike Hyundai's eGMP and VW's MEB, which have rear-wheel drive as the default configuration, e-TNGA is front drive with optional all-wheel drive. The Bz4X was designed from the outset as an electric crossover SUV. It's not some other vehicle fitted with batteries, a technique that usually results in a substandard product. This SUV was engineered in partnership with Subaru, which offers its own electric SUV, the Solterra. Both are based on the same engineering, and they even look almost identical. As with many Toyotas, the Bz4X has some aggressive design elements on the outside that belly a refreshingly mundane experience on the inside. The adoption of a lightweight body structure with sections of high-tensile steel, reinforced frame components around the battery pack, coupled with a dynamic suspension contribute to the agile responsiveness of Bz4X. An intelligent throttle feature provides a smoother feel when accelerating and decelerating, and slip suppression provides control on slippery roads. The regenerative braking boost mode features reduce the frequency the brake pedal must be depressed, helping to reduce the burden on the driver. Like new EVs from other automakers, this architecture is designed to be flexible so that it can be used for multiple new BEVs in the coming years. In December 2021, Toyota had an event where it showed off 15 BEVs from the Toyota and Lexus brands coming in the next several years, several of which are expected to be based on this platform. Toyota Motor Corporation is striving to resolve various issues to realize a sustainable society with the aim of passing down this beautiful Earth, our home planet, to future generations. Among these issues, reducing carbon dioxide emissions is an urgent global-scale challenge, and Toyota is taking measures to achieve carbon neutrality by 2050 and reduce carbon dioxide with products that are easy to use and highly appealing. Toyota's fundamental approach is to provide a practical and sustainable means of transportation. Therefore, Toyota is developing a full lineup of electrified vehicles comprising of HEVs, PHEVs, BEVs, and FCEVs. Toyota plans to prepare a variety of vehicle options that customers will want to drive and choose in hopes of contributing to the reduction of carbon dioxide emissions based on the policies and the spread of renewable energy in each region. Toyota will work to promote the proliferation of BEVs based on this approach. Regarding the Bz4X, Toyota will begin sales of the model globally as an option to promote carbon neutrality while considering market situations such as in North America, Europe, and China. Toyota says that pricing for the 2023 Toyota Bz4X starts at $42,000 for the XLE model and $46,700 for the limited models, plus a $2,000 addition to each if you want all-wheel drive plus a delivery fee of $1,215. all in you're looking at a price tag that's just $5 shy of $50,000 on the all-wheel drive version before you add any packages that include an upgraded stereo, split rear spoiler, or the better-looking two-tone exterior colors. Offered in two grades, XLE and Limited, in both front-wheel drive FWD and all-wheel drive AWD, the Bz4X offers impressive capability and versatility. In terms of size, the Bz4X sits squarely in the middle of the compact SUV segment. It's 3.7 inches longer than the REV4 at 184.6 inches, with a 6.3-inch longer wheelbase at 112.2 inches. It's 2 inches lower than the REV4 at 69 inches high and 0.2 inches wider at 73.2 inches. Bz4X offers a comfortable 42.1 inch of legroom for the front seat and 35.3 inches for passengers in the rear seat. Cargo volume is 27.7 cubic feet behind the second row. The profile of the Bz4X is balanced and sleek, with dynamic character lines that flow from front to rear. The axis is lowered towards the tires to create a dynamically flowing silhouette that takes full advantage of the long wheelbase. In the interior, the central control layout of the new car is quite different from that of Toyota's current fuel vehicles. The pure black color plus beige seats are Toyota's home style as always. The full LCD panel is positioned very forward, and the three-spoke steering wheel style is relatively novel. The right floating screen not only has multimedia functions, but also incorporates a touch air conditioning control module below. It's worth mentioning that the new car also adopts a knobs-type shifting mechanism, which is the first time it appears on a new Toyota car. Without the mechanical shift lever, more abundant storage can also be integrated between the central control and the armrest. Unlike most modern vehicles, the dashboard isn't covered in plastic, or at least nothing that looks like plastic, wood, or leather. Instead, it's wrapped in an interesting-looking fabric. The result, which assuming it's some sort of polyester or another synthetic material, is technically a plastic, looks surprisingly premium, feels good, and is non-reflective. Unfortunately, the same cannot be said for the piano black finish on most of the center console. It's time to move beyond piano black. Toyota is only planning to bring about 7,000 Bz4Xs to the US this year due to supply constraints and plans to ramp up in 2023. They'll probably have no problem selling all of them, and this is a solid first effort at a dedicated BEV. But the number of BEVs in the market is growing rapidly, and many of them offer superior features or capabilities. Toyota has solid dealers and a well-earned quality reputation, but they'll have to step up their BEV game to be competitive. So we've come to the end of this video. I want to thank you for sticking with me and love to know what you think of it. Just comment down below. Also, if you like this video, make sure you like it and stay safe. Today's video is over, but if you want to see more, there's one on your screen right now, and there are a few more fun videos coming soon about everyday aviation technology. I'll see you in the next video.